First pitch not playing in that game. Swing and a foul. 0-2. Breaking ball. Stay. 1-2 to Rodden. High and outside. The pitch. Outside. Full count from Morris. Swung on and missed. Fastball challenged him. And Brock came up empty. 94 miles per hour over the outer edge of the plate. Morris out of in the third round between the Mets and A's. Next pitch. 2-1. Labrada shows bunt. Bunts foul left side. Strike pitch is high. Full count. 3-2 is the fastball again, and Labrada swings through it. 2 hitters. 2 full counts. 2 strikeouts for Morris, both with the fastball. Pitch to Morris, trying to work quickly, fires, and Cal runs this season. Swings through a breaking ball. He's away. Breaking ball, fouled back. We'll do it again. And again a 1-2 pitch. And again a foul ball hit by Cali. From good speed at second. And a curveball is called strike 3. Big bending breaking ball. Touch of delay on the call from Ian Durkin. As that one bit in at the last moment. Chansky's gotten through 8 hitters on only 20 pitches. And 17 of those have been strikes. Danny's been hitting his spots. Now Lyle Lynn. And ball 1 is just inside. 1-0. Fouled away. 1 ball, 1 strike. 1-1 pitch. Breaking ball right in there, strike 2. Catcher Nick Raposo and fires. High, 2 balls, 2 strikes. 2-2 pitch now. Hit to center off the end of the bat. Knight having to hustle a bit, but he gets there. 2 out. Bill Knight just gliding for that ball. Bill is so smooth in the outfield. It's a great read on a ball off the bat. He is going to be heavily utilized. And his first pitch of the inning moves off. Takes a strike. Next pitch, a strike. Lines on the infield. Now, fouled off right side. Curveball, high, full count at the moment. Payoff to Raposo. Hit foul. 2 again. Raposo chased the slider and came up empty. Couldn't quite get a piece of it. He is gone on strikes. 4 strikeouts for Cade Morris through 2 1/3 innings. Sundstrom takes off. Pitch to Hunter Fitzgerald, a ball low, and Sundstrom swipes second. Well, Travs get a runner into scoring position. Nobody out, trying to draw even. And Cali hits it up the third baseline. Foul. Actually got a piece of Caleb's. 0-1. Right through there for a strike. He took a swung on and tipped into the catcher's mitt. Strike 3. Morris gets a huge strikeout, holding that runner at third. And a swing and a miss. Strike because of something verbal. 0-2. Raposo stretching. Here's the pitch. Swung on, popped up. And it catches the outer edge, called strike 3. Slider from Morris for his 6th strikeout of the afternoon. Travs get it tied though. Run on 2 hits. 1 man left. We played 4. We're trying to keep this ball game right where it is. Tied up. Jimmy on for his 7th appearance of the season. And he misses low innings. Fastball caught the outer edge. Out away from him. It's past Thursday. There's a breaking ball launched to left, high in the air, pretty deep. Labrada back with room, and he makes the grab. 2 out. Kingsbury was charged with 5 runs on Thursday in just 2 innings. 5 runs on 5 hits.
Number 5, Junior Perez.
Travs on Wednesday. Pitch. That's high. 1 ball, 1 strike. Next pitch, again high, 2 balls. Rodden swings through a fastball. 2 delivery. Swung on and missed. High fastball again. And Rodden unable to get the bat on it. 93 miles per hour. Palouse has put one his way. He is in for a strike. Pitch. High and away, Labrada. And the 1-2 waved at and missed. Changeup fell off the table. And he looks at a foul. One pitch. Tied him up. Son of right fielder. Got him swinging. Breaking ball from Palouse. Sundstrom gone on strikes. 2 out in the home half of the 6th. Here's Hunter Fitzgerald. Tuesday's game in Tulsa will start a stretch with 18 out of 24 on the road. There's a pitch high and outside for a ball to Lyle Lynn. Only 6 home games coming up in the early portion of May, the 6th through the 11th against the Springfield Cardinals. There's a pitch coming inside. Did it hit the knob of the bat or Lynn's hand? They'll say hand, and he gets first base. That ball ricocheted out of there like it hit the knob of the bat. That kicked way off to the first base side.
The left fielder, number 5, Junior Perez.
Home plate umpire Ian Durkin, though, calls it a hit. Ben Ramirez 1 for 2, singled in the 4th, and now first base umpire has stopped play again. We didn't have a first base coach for the Travelers. 0-1 pitch from Leal. That's low. Under fires again. Called strike 3. Ramirez gone looking. 1 out. Well, Leal begins his outing with a K. Pitcher ready. Here it comes. Swung on, lined, left field, base hit. Labrada being waved around third. Throw to the plate is getting away. He's in. 2-1 Travs. Labrada slid right through the tag attempt as the ball arrived just slightly before him. And he may have kicked it free, and he may have injured the Midland catcher, Lyle Lynn, as well. Lynn is holding his left hand and wrist area. A Rockhound athletic trainer trying to hold him still right by the dugout. Travs have taken the lead 2-1. What an at-bat. What a clutch hit from Jared Sundstrom.
Hey fans, with that Travs run, you can show today's ticket
Knight to second on the base hit.
Location to get a Sunday for just $1.
Time is being given to the catcher of the Rockhounds, Lyle Lynn, who is in some serious pain. Labrada with a feet-first slide